Is your iPhone taking weird camera shots, or have you accidentally changed its settings? Sometimes you have to reset all of your camera settings to default to get things back to normal. Watch to the end and you will learn how to save your custom settings so you don't lose them forever. And firstly, we are gonna start by going in Settings and then selecting General tab. Now scroll all the way down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Click on the Reset and choose this top one, Reset All Settings. After that, you're gonna enter your phone's passcode and this will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys, and passes will be removed. But no data or media will be deleted. So if you want to do this, just tap this red option once more and then tap it again. So please keep in mind that resetting all settings includes not only the camera settings, but also other system settings. Be prepared that the personalization of the device will be lost. For example, I increased size of display, so after reset it will be back to normal. And as a tip for you guys, if you wanna keep certain camera settings, you can record them separately or save screenshots before resetting them. And additionally, you can use feature preserve settings, which you can find in camera menu. And this way you can quickly return your favorite settings after a reset. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.